Greetings guys, welcome to FXNet's first and official course for beginners called Forex Dummies. Let me start by clarifying that this course ain't for dummies. We don't believe in that concept here. But there are those people who need simplification on certain aspects. One of those is Forex itself. First of all, Forex is a very challenging and emotional journey. So to make it simple, we're taking this course back to preschool, back to your ABCDs. So with that in mind, we would like to welcome you to the most interesting, fun and beneficial journey you ever took a chance in pursuing. I would say good luck, but I don't believe in luck. All I'll say is study hard and maybe someday you might get a chance to change your stars. And again, welcome to ForexNet's course called Forex Dummies. Hope you have a nice journey.